Hi, in front of me I have Garmin Epix Gen 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and disable the airplane mode on this device. First, let's press and hold the light button to open the controls menu. Once you open the controls menu, check if you have the airplane mode icon right here in this menu. As you can see, we don't. By default, the airplane mode icon is not here. So what we need to do is to press back button to go back to watch face, press and hold the up/menu to open the menu. Then we need to scroll down, select the option called Appearance, scroll down, tap on Controls. Right here we need to scroll all the way down, tap on Add New and select the airplane mode. Then we can press back button a couple of times to go back to the watch face, and now we can press and hold the right button again to open the controls menu. Scroll through the menu, select the airplane mode icon, and to enable the airplane mode simply tap on this icon or press the start/stop button. And now the airplane mode is enabled. And to disable it, simply open the menu, tap on the icon again. Oh, I enabled this sleep mode, the airplane mode, and the icon will change back to white color. That means that the airplane mode is disabled. Okay, and that's how you enable and disable the airplane mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.